Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, my name is Arif and I'm a first year student at ESSEC Business School enrolled in the Grande Ecole MIM program. Today's video is about all the different accommodation provided to international students by the school and also about the kind of residence you can get outside of the school. So without wasting any time, let's get right to the first residence. For the port residence, the best thing is its location. It's only about 5 minutes by foot from the campus, has a train station and a large shopping center nearby. Now the building is located near the Sergic port area with many pubs and restaurants. Now the path I am taking is from the Sergic prefecture station, which is the station where you have to get down for the school and the port residence. Moving past the school through the park area, it takes me about 7 to 8 minutes to reach the residence from the school. By the way, if you haven't watched my room tour video, do check it out as that is the room you will get in the CLH residence. I'll get to the CLH residence later. For now, let's go to the port residence. Now as you enter the room, you have the same kitchen area with the hot plates, the sink, the fridge and the microwave and the bathroom on your left or right. Now in the room, the very first difference from the CLH residence room is the table and the bookshelves in front of it. Rest of the room is almost the same. The single bed, the window and the closet. Now moving on to the common area, you have different things like meeting rooms, study rooms, a laundry room, recreation room with foosball tables, a piano and a pool table. You have different common rooms, one on the first floor and one on the ground floor. Now let's move on to the second residence, the Linandes residence. Now the Linandes residence is located slightly further from the school, around 20 minutes by foot. It is ideally located near stores, supermarkets, a medical center, restaurants and some fast food chains. Now when it comes to the rooms, they have almost the same things but in a slightly different configuration. Here I have a double sharing room for you. So here you have a bigger kitchen and a bigger fridge for 2 people. The shower area and the bathroom area are common. Now inside the room, it's the same as you saw in the previous port residence. You have the bed, you have a table, chair and shelves and a window. The room is slightly different in configuration and is slightly bigger than the room in the port residence. Now coming to the common area, it again has the basic meeting rooms, the laundry rooms, a sports room, a common area with a TV, a foosball table, a piano and a pool table, and the basic vending machines. Now after covering these 2 residences, let me take you to a residence which you can get outside of ESSEC. So one of my friends went online and searched for business school residences near ESSEC and finalized a place called Sergic residence, which is located right near the school and the Sergic prefecture station. So his room is basically a single studio with all the basic things and the rent is about 780 euros. You do get the benefit of cap on the rent, which is around 200 euros, so it boils down to around 580 euros. The benefit of this place, according to him, is the proximity of his house from the school. In between classes, when you have a 1-hour break, he said he directly comes to his house, gets something to eat and then goes back to the campus. The prefecture station is also just 3 minutes from his house. Now finally, after 2 Alegessec residences and a student residence, let's move on to the last residence, the Cergy Lahore residence by Alegessec. The CLH residence basically where I live. It's around 10 kilometers from the school area and the most convenient option is the train, which takes about 10 minutes from the Sergic prefecture station. So yeah, coming back to the residence, you have a tennis court inside the campus, laundry rooms, common rooms with a piano table, a foosball table and the basic vending machines. It is the larger residence by Alegessec and has 2 separate buildings which are linked together and houses around 485 students. Now if you want to have a look at how the room is at the CLH residence, you can check a video I made about my room here. As always, thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.